Hi, QR code are getting more and more important, especially this time and age, where you've seen people putting QR code in their website, or maybe in their name card, or maybe in like a screen, or they print it out and give to people flyers, and instead of giving them like a code, they give QR code, right? So QR code is important. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a QR code for free. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel. This channel talks about digital marketing and also entrepreneurship and things like that. And if you're interested in these kind of topics, do subscribe to this channel to support this channel. So now, before I begin to show you how, I just want to share with you there are two types of QR code. Generally speaking, there's two types. One is static and one is dynamic. So the one that I'm going to show you now will be the free one. So usually free one are static QR code. That means that once the QR code is made, it's fixed. You cannot change. You cannot change the content inside the QR code. So this can usually be done and it is free. The only problem is that you are not able to change the content inside compared to dynamic QR code. For this QR code is when you scan the thing, when you scan the QR code, the content can be changed. Usually dynamic QR code you need to pay because or not it will expire. So you need to pay, and not only that, with dynamic QR code you can track, you can have a bit of data analytics there, so you can track how many times people view you and things like that. So for this video specifically, I'm just going to show you how to do the static QR code, which is free, and it is still able to use. The only thing is you don't have any data to show. You cannot change the QR code, so when you print it out in anything, it will be fixed. So this is very good. For example, if you have a fixed YouTube channel or fixed website, so that will be good. And let me jump into a computer and show you how you can do it for static QR code. So I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for free, and what I mean is static QR code. For a dynamic QR code, you need to pay because of the advanced features. But let's talk more about the static QR code. So I recommend using this website called QR Code-Monkey. You can check in the description box below. It's good because you can do a lot of features inside here, right? So as you can see, the moment you open up here, you can see there's a lot of things going on here. So you can set the QR content, you can customize design, you can change the color, you can change the logo in between, right? And also you can generate QR code, you can download image in PNG form. So as you can see, you can separate things, you can put inside there. So I'm just going to show you how you can do it. Now I'm just going to put my Facebook page into my QR code. So it's not going to change, and that's why I can keep it static, right? So I just put it here, my link here. Right? I set the colors. I like it blue, color blue. I want a darker blue, for example, right? You put linear gradient or radial gradient, it'll be wrong, right? Background color, I put a yellow. This example just show you that this design is customizable, right? Then you can put high quality or low quality, up to you. Logo image. So I don't need, you can put, for example, your company logo, you can put a company logo here. This is my Facebook account, so you put Facebook, and then you customize design. So you can change this, right? The frame shape, let's make it like this. You see, there's a lot. One thing I like about this is very customizable for free. And the thing is, this static QR code does not expire. That's why I love this so much, right? And you just create. You see, and it look like this. I'll just show you an example of how easy it is to create, right? And you can just easily download the PNG. There, you can easily put this in any of your website. You can even print it out. For example, if you have a white background, this is yellow, right? You can print it out, put in your name card and things like that. So it is really that simple to do it. You see, there's a difference. There's text, email, phone, SMS. There's so many things you can do here, right? All you have to do is just choose which one that you like and just do it. And that's why I recommend this, because it's free and it's so customizable. But if you're interested to support this company, which is good as well, there is also like a QR studio where you can have more QR code management and dynamic QR code, right? So you can have a look at it. Of course, it is not free because they can do a lot of things like tracking and doing it dynamics. Like I mentioned, dynamic QR code, and the pricing is not really that expensive. If you're having a business, this is something that a small amount to pay, which is €5 a month. So yeah, do look into this, and I hope this is helpful for you. Yep, that's it. So in the previous video, I just showed you how to create static QR code for free. If you want dynamic QR code, there's a lot of options out there. You can use the same option that I showed you just now, which is the QR monkey. You can use it as well to do dynamic QR code. It's not that expensive, which is $3 per month. That is if you really need the advanced features, but for most people, I think the static one will do. So I hope this video is helpful for you. And if you like what I share, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, on the notification bell, and if you have any comments, just feel free to comment in the comment section below. I'll read all of them and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. And with that, thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.